That's what I'm replacing today. That steering stabilizer. That's the old one. This is the new one. Those are the tools that I used today. That 3/4 and that regular screwdriver. That screwdriver, you're gonna need it for right there. You put it from behind, prop it down, so it can come off. And the other one is right there. So the same way you took it out, same way you put it back in. Alright guys, well thanks for watching.